welcome to my channel. If you're new here, it's Amanda, and if you're not new and you're back to see my videos, then welcome back. My hair is a little crazy. Today's video is a little different on my channel. It is a pack with me. As you guys know, obviously it's like July, well, the first week of July, and everybody's traveling. So I'm gonna be going to J4 in Minnesota. If you are my Hmong friends, you guys will know. And honestly, there's a lot to pack, kind of. I'm leaving Friday and maybe coming back Monday, maybe Sunday. I don't know. So there's stuff to pack, and I just want to show you guys what I'm packing. And yeah, so let's get straight to the video. This is kind of where everything is. I haven't really packed like everything because most of the time I would like to do my packing the day of, like toothbrushes. Sometimes I do my makeup the day of, but because it's a 4-hour drive from Wisconsin to Minnesota, I'm trying to leave before 11:30 or at 11:30. So yeah. So I did fold some stuff earlier because my camera was about to die. Then I charged it, and then I was editing a video. So yeah, so I have 2 pairs of shorts because it is gonna be super hot out there. And I packed my stuff in this duffel bag. I got it from TJ Maxx and Ross. I got 2, one for my brother and one for me. You can find them over there, cheaper price. I haven't really found a suitcase that I like, so yeah. And don't mind my mirror. It's there. I can't help it, so yeah. And then I'm crazy, but I'm bringing a pair of jeans. You can never go wrong with a pair of jeans. You just roll them up and wear heels, and then you're ready to go. Well, I'm not gonna wear heels with these. And then I have these paper bag pants, which I absolutely love. I have it in black. I'm just gonna pack them, although they need to be ironed, so I'm probably gonna iron them the day before. And then I have, I'm not bringing this one though. These shorts, I'm not bringing them with me. I'm gonna bring these shorts. I'm bringing these shorts with me just in case, to sleep in. And I literally I don't know if you can tell, but I have jeans over here, and then I have like other stuff in here. This is not my t-shirt, although I bought it for my boyfriend. Yes, I'm that kind of girlfriend who takes their boyfriend's shirt. But I'm just wearing this just because I like to wear like his t-shirt to sleep. It's super comfortable. And then I realized that, oh shoot, I didn't pack enough like t-shirts. So this is a plain blushed pink tee, and I absolutely love it. And then I also have this. You can never go wrong with a half zip up. I love my pink half zip ups. I have like 2 of them, black and gray. Although I haven't been able to find any more, or maybe I just don't really look. But they are, for a broke college student, yes, they are a little bit pricey. For me though. Alright. And then I have my boyfriend and I's jersey. And I'm like, how did I have both of our jerseys? But we wore them, we went to camp. So, isn't that fun? So, I might as well pack both of ours. I mean, sometimes I pack his clothes and mine if he left his clothes over here. So, yeah. And I hope that the day of the tournament, we don't have to, we don't have to wear these jerseys because I really want to wear the new ones. Can't wait for that. So there. Now I filled this side up already, and I still have to pack my makeup. And I also have this backpack here. And I'm sorry, I do not have a camera bag, so I'm probably going to put everything here. And when I go to a tournament, I'm probably not going to carry my purse, but leave my wallet in here. And I have stuff from camp, like my shades, the case for my shades. Really need to clean that out. I'm going to bring these just in case. I mean, sometimes it gets super hot and I can't stand wearing my shorts, then I'll wear these. And it's super comfy. And I'm probably going to actually put them over here. So I'm going to put my shorts and move over here. And I brought this top, and it's a crop top tank. It's a crop tank. And it's absolutely cute from Fashion Nova. I love wearing this with my paper bag pants. Absolutely cute. I love it. I don't know if I'm actually going to wear it. So we shall see. And yeah. I don't really have anything planned or like anything that I'm going to wear for the day I leave. But maybe I'll do a little OOTD on Instagram and Snapchat. So this is my, what is it called? This is my my makeup bag, and I literally have everything. I tried to fit everything here. So I just carried a couple palettes because I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna go for. So I have that, and then I keep all my brushes in here because I hate the fact that when I don't pack like right away, or like when I don't pack before I leave, I tend to forget something. Like there's some stuff that I cannot live without, like my eyebrow products, my eyebrow brush. I use the same thing all the time, and if I get one thing, it's like I don't know how to do my eyebrows. So yeah. So these are my brushes, and then I have my concealer, mascara, my pomade, what is it, my micro brow pencil. All my brushes are in here, and I have sponge, setting spray, moisturizer, and then I haven't touched this in a long time. This bag used to be for my pencils, but I'm like, you know what, instead of everything all scrambled in here, I'll try to fit whatever I can in here. So that's everything. Not everything, most of the things. And then I literally just have these, I literally have more foundation and my powder brush in here, just to help keep me a little organized. And I'm glad that this bag comes with two sides, because yeah. So I'm probably gonna put this in here. And then I also have I'm crazy, you can tell me that. Like, who in the world is gonna wear a sweater in like 80 or 70 degrees weather? Me, because you never know. Like, I get cold at night, I get cold all the time. I don't know why, but I'm crazy. So this is just my North Face jacket. I'm probably not gonna pack it in my bag because I'm probably gonna keep it in my car. Although I left this in my car for like a whole week now. I'm just gonna keep it in my car just in case. Actually, I'm not gonna fold that way. I am really picky when I fold things. I don't know. I'm just weird like that. And then, what's gonna go in this? You guys probably can't see me. So, what's gonna go in here is basically, can't think. My wallet and a couple of my makeup stuff that I will need or might need to touch up throughout the day. I'm probably gonna put my Michael Kors bag in here as we travel because we have other people in the car with us, and I don't want to be like going to the back to grab stuff. So yeah, I haven't packed this. So that's everything. I have some stuff here. I have other stuff here. So this is how I kind of basically pack everything. I always put this in here, and if I do need to transfer like my important needs, I'll put it in here. I also put my camera in here, my what is it? My batteries and all that stuff, and mainly I put all my cords in here just in case, but I'm not gonna do that yet because I'm still using this. I totally forgot to show you guys my shower gel and all that stuff. So it was right here, it was behind me so I couldn't see it. Common sense, you know, I'm pretty sure I got these bottles a long time ago, but I had to repurchase them because I lost them. So basically I have my body wash, conditioner, and shampoo because nobody's trying to grab full-size bottles. Yeah, because that takes a lot of money. So mainly I always put these in here, and mostly on the sides I always put like my face wash. I'll show you guys what kind of face wash I will be packing. Alright, so I have all my skincare goodies here, and I have my Curology up in my vanity. So I have my face scrubber, which is in here. Absolutely love this. I showed it on Snapchat and Instagram. Absolutely love this. I don't know the brand. I threw the box away, but I got it at Shopko before they were closed down. So I got that because it was on sale. So I'm like, you know, why not? And then I have been loving this Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. Like, you can tell, like, and it's like a full-size bottle, and I absolutely love this. I got it from my FabFitFun, one of my boxes. Absolutely love this. And I'm gonna try out this Havea Hydration Pre-Mask right here. Got it from my FabFitFun box as well. Gotta love it. And then one of my favorites, Origins Ginseng Refreshing Scrub Cleanser. So yeah, so I'm gonna take these and oops. Usually I put them in like a plastic bag because, you know, why not? And then I'll just put it like in here. So yeah, it's a little compact, but if anything else, I can always put it in here. It will fit perfectly fine. I still have enough room in here. Alright, so that's basically it for today's video. I know I didn't go in depth with like every single item that I'm bringing with me, like my makeup and stuff. If you guys want to see that, like my travel makeup kit, whatever, just let me know and I would love to do that for you guys. Yeah, and that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. I'll see you guys in my next video now.